24 Prizm Retail Box 7. Do some QB. Big rookie QB. Oh, Sammy Laporta. Oh, Jace McClellan. So Prescott silver. Xavier Worthy rook. Gary Palomalu sweet checker. So Pittsburgh. There's James. I love those black and whites. TJ Jonathan Brooks rookie. Bowers emerging green ice. Nice hit for the Raiders. Ocello. It's hard to beat these retails. Kale Montez. LT, the Bowers base rook. Jair Coob, Daniel Carlson, green ice, little Raiders box. Fogel Marist, rookie. Ooh, there he is. Finally, little Drake Love. So May base rook. I think even his base PSA 10s are like 350, 400. Crazy. Sal. Ooh, J Love, good pack. So color match green ice. The GB pack, right? TD. Oh, Kamari Lassiter rookie. Linus Mark Cooper, black and white checker. The Browns, right? Slade and Roman Wilson rookie. Little Jared Verse. Portals. Little Joe Montana. It's green ice portals. Oh, Kansas City. Core G. Chiefs Montana. Sanders. TJ Hawkinson. Looks like they're running out of ink on a lot of these. Black, white, and gray. The Vikes, Brian. No, Rook, rookie. Brown, Jimbo. Seymour, Javon Baker, rookie. Little Jeffrey Simmons, silver. Bijan. Odisa Isaac, and Marshawn Lloyd. So color match green ice. Prismatic Rook. That box of retail. Some big QB color out of this case. Guys, the retail number 7, number 8 is live. So jumping in, everybody.